And now for another installment of Sandwiches of Canada. Sandwich Dad here, how are you? And today, friends, we're heading to the booming metropolis of Toronto for the famous Peameal bacon sandwich. If you're to ever find yourself visiting the Six, you're sure to find this yellow-crusted loin bacon at any brunch spot, and specifically at the St. Lawrence Market at the Carousel Bakery. Sometimes called back bacon or Canadian bacon, you'll really only find this in southern Ontario. So y'all should really be calling it Toronto bacon. Now you can put an egg on it as well. I like mine with just a little bit of cheddar cheese on it. More delicious Peameal bacon on top. A nice soft toasted bun, cut diagonally, which as we've discussed when it's a circle is straight across, and reveal. I squished the bun a little, but this is the Toronto Peameal bacon sandwich. Hogtown, you've done it again. Makes me want to go back and visit some friends I have there. This is Sandwich Dad and Sandwich Lad making a bunch of noise taking all my stuff. Good day!